Valid, bitch. I'm body, plant-based, poppin', smoking calories. That booty fake, me, Satan, a liar. Better late than never less a liar. Two my passing up. And I took 3 shots, dashing up. Think I might fall, nigga, no. Got a itty bitty.
Alright, man, go ahead. You can intro the shit. Oh, ass nigga.
Alright, what's up, my boy? So, look. Alright.
Hey, nigga, look, we training today, but he's finna put me through a workout. Lil bro finna try to train me. Let's see how this shit goes. Yeah, I cut your intro off, nigga, because I'm about that.
No. Coach Jay, so look, we're gonna put him through a workout today. For one, we don't work out in long sleeves, but I'm gonna let it slide.
Why not?
Video.
How you gonna tell me to put the workout in, nigga? What's up? We can run that.
Get on
early.
You wanna run?
No, nigga. Bro.
Does he wanna run?
Listen, no, I don't wanna run. I'm not running.
Look, you can get straight to it.
Let's go.
Alright, so look, we're gonna do a little balance work right here, alright? I need 3 in a row. Like this though. Stop.
Who taught you that?
Don't worry about it. 3 in a row.
Oh, in a row. Okay.
Hey, every 2 in a row you miss is up and back. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I love it.
Oh! You good, come on. Yeah, lift. Got 2 of them? Okay.
Oh shit. What's next, nigga?
Good stuff. That smack your shit kind of hard. That's your last
pause.
Don't do that. Yeah. You got 3 backboard squats. What the layups? You get that ass up.
What? Get what up? 3 backboard slaps?
3 backboard slaps, bro. I know you can't get up.
Look at my bounce back.
You want to be great?
Yes, I do.
Smoke another one.
Or what?
Or what? You're also going on that sideline.
Bro,
Let me demonstrate.
I got it. This is off right. Did I do jumping shit? I can't jump that high.
Good. Alright, I need you to. I need to really slap the glass.
But you didn't even make it though.
That's fine.
Terrible demonstration. Next drill.
Alright, bet. We gotta go spider drill, 15-second spider drill, you know?
Oh, hell no.
Oh shit, that's me? Yeah, you know what I'm doing. Yeah, 15 seconds, let's go on the clock. Any mess ups, you're on the line. Yeah. Don't mess up. On your marks, get set, go. Yeah, you wanna be great?
This is not helping me be great.
You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
How am I gonna do that in the game?
Nah,
how's that game?
It's not about that. It's not
It
about
doesn't
that.
translate to the game.
It gets
It
your
doesn't
handles
translate.
tight. We're warming up the handle right now. You heard of Jill Wise? You gotta get ready. We're warming up.
Oh, your little brother?
Nah.
That's his little brother.
Let's see. What can we work on? Okay.
Terrible trainer. He's gonna have the drills ready.
Look, no. What do you want to work on today?
Getting buckets, nigga.
Getting buckets?
Yeah.
All right, bet. This is what you do to get a buck, right? So just slide back right here. So we're gonna start at the top of the key. Start at the top of the key right here, right? Act like you're walking someone down, right? You need a bucket, right? You're gonna snap. Go ahead and dunk.
You think I'm doing that? So you said double tween?
Double tween, snatch.
What do you want me to do, my nigga? I can't dunk.
Baseline.
For what?
Baseline.
Just take off on this thing.
Free throwing back.
What?
That's enough talking back to me. You ain't gonna do that shit. Go. One more.
Nigga, what?
One more.
For what?
One more.
For what though? I'll put it forward.
Sprint. Good shit. Yeah, you thought this was gonna be easy? You must not know who I am. So say you catch off the rip. We need a double jab, rip through, shot off the backboard.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Can't even make it.
Don't worry about it.
This might be the worst training system.
Come here.
I'm not paying for this shit.
1, 2. There you go. I need 3 in a row. No, I need 3 makes. Sorry.
Damn.
Not 3 in a row, 3 makes. I love it.
Oh!
There's speed!
Take some defense in, game speed.
Hey, that first one didn't count because I wasn't guarding, so here we go.
Oh, okay, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's not the drill. That's not the drill.
That was a oh.
That's it. You
My
got
bad.
one more chance and that's
My bad.
I'll have you ask for an 11.
My bad.
Okay, my bad. Rip through. Hold it!
Okay. So you said I couldn't do no Alright, I'm about to not watch this shit.
Rip through. Good shit. Good shit. I need to sell this one. I love it.
Don't ever block my shot down again. I'll beat your ass.
No, you won't be shit.
Alright, bet. I need it. He has no squabble.
Hey, sideline.
No, you scared me first, nigga.
Sideline.
You scared me first. Nope. I'm not running shit. Next drill.
Run it. We can wrap this shit up for real.
I can wrap this shit. I'm not doing silent, nigga. Next drill.
What you gonna wrap up?
Wrap up or wrap up?
Bro, what?
Next drill, nigga.
Next drill?
Yeah.
You gotta do is go under the hand. Don't do that. Don't do that. Put your hand up. We got these. Rip through.
Fucking ass.
Baseline.
No, for what? You're sure. I'm not doing that shit.
Do it wrong. Watch what happens.
Bet.
Do it wrong.
Bet.
Watch what happens.
Bet. Yep.
Rip through my hand.
Other hand, stupid.
Better slap that backboard.
I can't fucking slap that boy. Like, what do you think I am? Fucking Nate Robinson?
Do it right or don't do it wrong. We through. Yeah, give me off. Yeah.
You off?
We're through.
You're coming?
Throw me a lob, bro.
What kind of training session? I throw the lob now?
Yeah, we got water break and throw a lob.
Alright.
That's cool. That was nice, huh?
Like, but that's not, like, that doesn't do anything for me.
No, I was just, it was a little break, so here we go.
So what's next, bro? Hey,
Next
come on,
drill.
man. I got somewhere to be.
You're gonna be in between these two hoops, right? Working on jump shots right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish on this side. You gotta make all 4. Next you go. Damn. Hold on. Damn. Turn around. Catch it wherever it drops. You good? I'm just demonstrating. You get one dribble. You get one dribble. Damn. And then last one.
That's not hard.
You gotta finish on this side. You feel me? You get one dribble every off the catch.
Give me the ball, nigga.
You better not miss.
You just missed 2 of them, though.
Oh well.
Yeah. Are you ready now? Is it rolling?
Nah, it's going.
I
It's
bet.
going for sure. One big dribble.
One dribble, you said.
Oh, you're smart.
One dribble, you said, right? Oh! That's 3. I got hit 4.
Yeah, what are you gonna do in one dribble here?
You wanna see some real speed?
Bet.
2 in a row.
Pressure?
Nervous. Are you nervous? Just say it.
Put a 100 on it, nigga.
I bet a suicide. Bet a suicide. Can't miss after this.
Oh, man.
Okay, good.
Suicide on J. Lou. Make sure you zoom in on this when you run.
On this who?
On my go, I'm counting.
On this who?
Go.
Oh, nah. You want to with me now?
No,
for
I'm
that
not,
shit.
nigga.
You wanna yeah,
Run
you
this
are.
shit.
Nah, nigga, run that shit.
Run this shit.
Nah, you just call me up.
I didn't call that your name. No, I said make sure you record this. Like, no.
Nah, get on the line. You're running 10 with me now. Get right here. Get right here. All that pushing and shit. You get one possession under the fucking basket. You gotta score.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Stop!
Too easy. Yep, that's shit. No, I even dribble.
That's a great move though.
I even dribble.
Good shit.
Crazy.
Sachi, that shit. Yep, the rip through. Good shit. We worked on that. I like when you implement shit we work on, bro.
You didn't teach
That's
me
good
that
shit.
shit.
I teach you
nigga.
the.
Yep, it's too easy. Positioning. Oh.
Damn. Go up, last possession, we're done. Thought you were gonna beat the trainer!
What?
Let's go!
Watch the fuck. I'm gonna travel my ass off, see if he notices.
Yeah. Yeah. You on that shit. Hold on, this nigga traveling. What the fuck? Hold on. I was wondering how the hell he got.
You get my footwork on that? This is how we ended the National Backyard Association.
What
happened?
happened?
Do not trio.
What?
Anything.
What?
Yep. Unlimited dribbles, nigga.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Other day at the office. Appreciate you for watching. Anything I should work on, bro? I think I killed everything.
Good shit, bro. No, I with everything you do.
Yeah.
Sometimes just a little listening skills.
Yeah.
When you do
Shut
drills.
the hell up. Weak ass trainer.
I give it up to him. I give this workout like a 7 out of 10. He missed a couple dunks.
I just cooked you just now.
Missed a couple lays.
I just cooked you.
You want to stand on the rim and get dunked on?
Bet. I hit all ball. A wise man once told me.
Fuck did he tell you?
How long is this video?
25 exactly.
25 exactly, nigga. I hit the 4/5 on his bat bleed, nigga.
Who cares? I might rip a nigga pubic hairs.
What the dude?
Alright, well, cut that shit, bro. Wrap this shit up. I'm out of here.
Hey.
Microphone checker, gon' step up if you next up. Blessing beats the same way that God blessed us gracefully. Seen some fucked up shit, that's no cap. I let y'all do y'all thing, now let me rap. Mr. Smooth nigga, real assassin on the mic. Finna save hip hop, real passion of the Christ. This was the ocean, I'll be a great white. Go ahead, relax, chill, we finna have a good time. Oh, I'm finna spaz.